Can a lawn tractor be high performance and comfortable? In a word, yes. And that word is Broadmoor. The Simplicity Broadmoor lawn tractor now features rear suspension for a smoother ride. And with a new high-speed transmission, exclusive free-floating mower deck, and automatic controlled traction, the Simplicity Broadmoor rides smoother, allowing you to cut more efficiently while still providing that famous simplicity cut. Just fire up the Briggs & Stratton Professional Series V-twin engine, settle into the breathable mesh seat, and you'll stay cool and comfortable until the job is done.
The Broadmoor is definitely the best cutting mower I think that I've ever used. It's a nice, clean golf course kind of a look. The ride is just amazing. It's so nice and comfortable. It's unbelievable the way it rides and the way it cuts. I would recommend a Simplicity. It definitely lives up to their name. And now I own a Simplicity Broadmoor with suspension. I've never been happier.
Getting the best-looking yard in the neighborhood is now faster and more comfortable with the Simplicity Broadmoor lawn tractor. Simplicity, the way to a beautiful lawn.